Hey everybody, this is Christian, your favorite DMV realtor. Today we are in Brandywine visiting the Villages of Savannah. We are checking out the Polero model. This is a multi-generational home. Come check out what $770,000 gets you in Brandywine, Maryland. Now, $770,000 is the starting price of this model. So keep in mind that once your home is spec'd out to what you see here, you will be expecting to spend more than $770,000. As you walk in, you see you have a lovely living room. They have it set up as like an office space here. The foyer is nice and wide. To my right is your powder room. All right, step into your main living area. So you have a large living room here. It's family to gather. It does have a nice double-sided fireplace. And I love the windows. Like the corner windows are everything to me. Kitchen has a large oversized island. Loving the white cabinets, and the Samsung appliances are updated. Extremely beautiful high-end Samsung appliances they have here. And then off of your kitchen, you have a small, like an office space. And then you have your pantry to the left of that. This home does have a deck on this model. As you can see, the eating area is also very large and inviting. You have plenty of room for your guests, for dinner parties. And then there is a deck as well. All right, so let's go check out the multi-gen suite on this level. This is perfect for family members who are moving in with you, whether it be maybe an adult kid or parents. Walk-in closet and its own ensuite bathroom. Let's go check out the basement where the family will gather for fun family nights. So this home has about 5,000 square feet of space. And once you walk down here, you see they have the model set up as like an office space for your kids, maybe homework area. I love this little cubby. It's really cool, fun place to come read books, hang out, talk on the phone. But when you first walk downstairs, the first room that you're entering into the model here is your family movie room. And then you have your main recreation space. They have the wet bar in here. I love the pool table. What do you guys think about this room? Would you have it set up just how they have it set up? Would you do anything different down here in this basement? The only thing for me that I would add is a gym, because I like being able to just stay home and work out. And they do have a paver, which is really nice out here. All right, so to wrap our tour up down in this level, let's go check out the extra bedroom and the last bathroom. And this bedroom is massive. It does have its own entry point to the bathroom as well. And it has a nice large walk-in closet. Like honestly, this closet is massive. All right, so we're gonna go upstairs and check out the bedrooms. Okay, so once you make it up to the third level of the home, immediately to my right, you have a laundry room. Large full-size laundry room with cabinets for storage, linens. So there are 4 bedrooms on this level. And 2 of them do share a bathroom, a Jack and Jill style bathroom. This room actually has a walk-in closet. Linen closet, of course. And then here is the 3rd bedroom on this level. This one has its own ensuite. Walk-in closet, of course. And let's see where the owners would be residing at night if they choose to come to the upper level. This primary suite is really nice and spacious. It has a sitting room off to your right when you first walk in, and a deck. And let's not forget about the primary bathroom. Before you walk into the bathroom, you do have 2 very large walk-in closets. And welcome to your primary bathroom. So this bathroom is actually very gorgeous. I love the shower. Large shower with the glass casing. You have a freestanding tub. You have the endless mirrors, as some would call them. The double vanities, of course. So what do you guys think about this home? Let me know in the comments if you would live here. Once again, we are in Brandywine, Maryland, and this home is starting at $770,000. Like and comment what your thoughts are on the home. And if you are looking for a home, please feel free to reach out to me. Once again, this is Christian, your favorite D&B realtor. Have a good one.